Have you ever looked around after a toxic relationship ended and realized you were standing all alone? You've walked away, you've done the hard part, but now it feels like your phone has gone silent and your village is empty. Welcome to Talk It Out Tuesdays. I'm your host, Kalia Chevonne. We are currently in phase 2, immediate healing and self-care. Last week, we worked on reclaiming your story and stopping the self-blame. Today, we are tackling the isolation effect. We're going deep into how to bridge the gap and rebuild a support network that actually keeps you anchored. If you're ready to find your people again, hit the subscribe button, join the anchoring team, and let's talk it out. Let's take a deep dive into the isolation effect and the safe people filter. Toxic cycles thrive on isolation. It doesn't always happen because someone told you that you couldn't see your friends. It happens because you are in survival mode. Think about the emotional avalanches you are dealing with at home. When you're spending all your energy trying to keep the space and peace or managing a partner's conditional presence, you simply don't have anything left for a coffee date or a long phone call. You might have pulled away because you were embarrassed to tell the truth again, or because you didn't want to hear your friend say, "I told you so." I want you to hear me clearly. You weren't being a bad friend. You were fighting a battle that no one else could see. Rebuilding isn't about apologizing for survival. It's about reconnecting with the version of you that knows how to be loved. The safe people filter. Now let's go deeper. As you start to open up, you need a filter. Not everyone is equipped to be a part of your healing journey. This is where we talk about the gaslighting glimmer. I want you to audit your potential circle using 3 filters. Number 1, the trusted outsider. You need someone neutral and healthy, someone who can give you a fresh perspective when you start to doubt your reality. Number 2, spotting the flying monkeys. Watch out for people who try to bridge the gap back to the toxic person or tell you it wasn't that bad. They might mean well, but they are not safe for your recovery. Number 3, the validation test. Does this person make you feel like you're overreacting about your past? Safe people validate your experience, even if you haven't lived it. Let's rebuild the village by using these Talk It Out tips. Here are 3 practical steps to take this week to find your anchor again. Number 1, the low pressure outreach. Send 1 text to a friend you've been silent with. You don't need a 20-minute explanation. Just say, "I've been in a hard season and I've been quiet, but I'm healing and I missed you." Number 2, forgive the silence. Forgive yourself for the time you were gone and forgive your healthy friends if they didn't know how to reach you while you were in your fog. Number 3, identify your anchor people. Write down 3 people who make you feel safe, heard, and seen. These are the people who get the front row seats to your life in this next chapter. In closing, anchor team, you were never meant to carry this weight alone. Rebuilding takes time, but you are worth the effort. Next week, I'll be closing out phase 2 with topic 6, setting non-negotiable boundaries. Until then, be gentle with yourself. If you felt the isolation, drop an anchor in the comments so we can show you that you're not alone anymore. Remember, your peace is your priority. I'll see you next Tuesday.